Hey folks, Aaron at Redbird Speed. I want to talk a little bit today about pinion bearings. So these are aftermarket pinion supports. So pretty much anybody selling center sections are going to be selling aftermarket pinion supports. Now if you're building a stock center section, which is pretty rare, but if somebody's building a stock center section is going to take two of these small bearings. So that's going to be like the 88048s. There's going to be a 2.685 OD on the race. So it takes two of these small bearings, one in the front, one in the back. Now these aftermarket Daytona supports, these are going to be taking one big bearing and one small bearing. So the 88048, one of those, and the 88010, so that's going to be the bigger bearing. So you got to make sure you match up these pinion bearings. Now these are going to be for both small pinion 28 spline pinions. So there are some pro gears, you get up numerically high enough gear ratio, they switch over into small pinion, so it could potentially take these bearings also. Now your big pinion pro gears, your 35 spline pinions, that's going to take the 2788, the 2729. So you got the 3-inch OD and the 3.75 OD. So you got two really big bearings on that one. So really what to remember, stock, too small, that's going to be these small ones. The Daytona style for like a street gear, that's going to take the 88048, the 2.685, the 88010, the 3-inch OD. So you got one large, one small. And then the Pro, you got the really big 3.75 and then the 3.0, the 2788 and the 2729 pinion bearing. So I know that's kind of a lot. There are a few oddball center sections that some people use a ball bearing. So I guess what I'm getting at is when you're buying pinion bearings, you got to make sure to match them up to whatever situation you have with your pinion support, your aftermarket case. Right here you have a nodular iron pinion support and it's a Daytona style. So some people might confuse that for stock. It's not stock, it's aftermarket, takes a bigger bearing, a lot stronger. So just make sure you're matching this up. Our phone number 260-301-2424. If you have any questions about this, just call us. You can get us at redbirdspeed.com. You can drop a comment below. However, whatever's easy enough, you know, probably best just to call us, 260-301-2424. Let's keep going through this setup kit. We're going to get through this and cover all the rest of the parts in the center section. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Hey, have a good day. We'll see you on the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe.